Your app is 50 megabytes. So why is your Docker image 2.5 gigabytes? You're running as root, your secrets are hard coded, and you've got curl in there just in case. Let's fix that. I'll show you the exact difference between a bad Docker file and a good one. So your image is faster, smaller, and production ready. Now, a bad Docker file, as you can see right here in front of us, right? Number one is that you're using Ubuntu as the latest, right? For everything. You don't want the latest image. You don't want a hacker could just come in and push the latest image, and you don't want this. You want to have a specific version, and sometimes even a SHA, right? Is very important. Running as root, why on earth? Make sure to create a user that is dedicated for this, image, right? Don't run as root if it gets hacked. The root is a sudo, is a admin power, right? You don't want this. And again, copying everything blindly. Why copy everything? Just copy what you need. Simple as. And installing curl, wget. If you don't need them with no purpose, don't install it, please. And also hard coding secrets. This is ugly. I do not want to say this. Get rid of this. Alright? And next thing, there's no health checks in place. There's no layer optimization. There's many things wrong with this, as you can see right here. And you Docker ignore if you have to, right? You don't want this to be the case. And difference here is a good Dockerfile, as you can see, much more improved version. It's quite a difference, right? As you can see right here. Key improvements that we use in Alpine, right? There's a minimal attack surface, smaller image. You don't need a massive image right here, right? It's just what your application needs. That's it. And as you can see, we have a multi-stage build right here, right? 2 parts to build. One for the builder, one for the actual image run, right? You install dependencies, you build, and then copy only what's needed right here. Amazing. Also non-root user. We have a user created called app user here. There is non-root, which is perfect, right? This is basic container hardening principles. Next thing, we also have a health check. Amazing, right? This helps, orchestration tools, to know if the container is actually alive. Amazing. And this is a smaller and safer image. Now, let's talk about the real world, right? You don't need to memorize this. Just follow these rules. First thing, use a Docker ignore. It's very important. Ignore things you don't want to have in your image, right? And don't install what you don't need. Just the things that you need, and that's it. Secrets, use mountain volumes if you have to. Use Vault or, a good secret provider, right? External secrets gap and so on. And make sure to scan your images to catch any CVEs. Because once you find a CVE, you're going to go into panic mode and start fixing these things last minute. And again, validate your image sizes regularly with Docker image or Docker image endless. See how big your images are, right? Make it smaller, optimize it. If your image works, but it takes 10 minutes to deploy, it's not really DevOps, right? This is DevOps as they say it, right? DevOps. So it's important, right? If you learn something, please like and subscribe. I'll do more of these breakdowns, DevOps mistakes, and I'll show you how to do it right. CI/CD, KX, Terraform, Docker, all of it. Now drop a comment if you want me to read this for Python, for Golang, for YAMLs, for Terraform, and different things or different stacks, right? We'll turn your messy Docker files and Terraform code into production ready environments.